So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to draw a line on tradingview. So first of all, open any web browser on your computer and then search for tradingview.com. So guys, after that click on products and choose chart plus. And now guys, as you can see, there are a bunch of options on your left side. You guys will see this option right here, which is something like a line or rod. Now you just have to select it and again select it. And now you can see there are a lot of options to choose with. Let's say guys, we'll go with the info line. Now click on this and click here and click here. And now you have created a line on your chart on TradingView platform. So guys, you can also customize it by clicking on this setting button, and you can choose a lot of things in your style section, in your text, in your coordinates, and in your visibility. You can change its visibility however you like, and you can change its coordinates. You guys can even write down something on your info line, and you can change its style however you like. So after done with your customization, you guys will just have to click on OK, and it will change your line to your own customization settings. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more future videos. And thanks for watching.